Hello, my friend. I'm Nicole. If you are returning, thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. If you are new, welcome. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to show some love by dropping a like, hitting subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Hello, boys and girls. Today's story is titled Waffles the Chicken, Classroom Jitters, authored by Ken and Ashley Matthews. Pig pointed to the calendar.
"See the big red circle?"
she asked.
"My mom says that's when school starts."
Waffles the chicken looked closely and counted.
"That's only a few days away. I'm not ready." "Ready?"
Pig asked.
"Not ready for what?" "School,"
Waffles said.
"Mama showed me the class list. I don't know anyone in there. What if no one likes me?"
Pig smiled.
"That's just classroom jitters talking. If you want to make friends, you just have to talk to other animals. Don't you do that all the time on the farm?" "Yeah, but that's at the farm,"
Waffles said.
"School is school. It's different."
On the morning that school started, Waffles packed a snack. He put his supplies in his backpack, and he gave Mama Hen a big hug. "Are you ready?" she asked.
"We'll see,"
Waffles said. Mama Hen smiled. "I know you're nervous about making new friends, but just be the nice little chicken that I know you are, and I promise everything will be fine."
"We'll see,"
Waffles said. Waffles thought the school was massive, with miles of sidewalks, hundreds of doors, and thousands of windows. His classroom was big, but not too big. He found the desk with his name on it, sat down, and looked around the room. There were all sorts of animals, mammals, lizards, and birds. Waffles gulped. Oop. He was the only chicken in class. He slid down in his chair. Whoa! Waffles looked up at one of his classmates, a javelina. "Hi, I'm Javier. We have the same blue backpack. Cool. We should talk later." Waffles smiled. That was easy. Was it really that easy for other animals to talk to him? Maybe this wouldn't be so scary after all. At art time, Waffles put on a brave smile and joined the other students that wanted to use clay.
"Hi, I'm Waffles. Have you ever used clay?"
The snake shook his head.
"Hi, Waffles. I'm Sid. I've never used clay before, but I want to learn. Can you show me how?"
Waffles and Sid sat together and made clay superheroes. Just like that, Waffles made a new friend. At lunch, Waffles stood in the line to pick out his fruit. He saw a porcupine in front of him jump and grab some blueberries without even looking at the rest of the fruit. Waving, Waffles said, "Hi, I'm Waffles. You must really like blueberries." The porcupine smiled.
Hi, Waffles. I'm Penelope. I don't like blueberries. I love them.
"Really?" Waffles asked. "I usually like grapes, but the cafeteria doesn't have any. What do you think I should get?"
Try one of my blueberries. If you like it, you could get some of your own. If you don't, you could always get some strawberries. You can't go wrong with fruit.
Was Penelope another new friend? During gym class, everyone played basketball. They all played nicely together, but one student played really well. He jumped high and shot the basketball into the goal over and over again.
"Wow," Waffles said. "You're really good."
"Thanks," said the rabbit. "I've been practicing for a really long time. I want to be a basketball player when I grow up. I play every single day."
"It shows. I like basketball, but I'm not very good. Would you give me some tips?"
Waffle asked. Just like that, Waffles made another new friend. After school, Waffles grabbed a snack and went to see his friend, Pig.
"You're smiling," Pig said. "Does that mean today was a good day at school?"
"It was. I just had to start the conversation and be myself, just like at the farm." The end. Every friendship starts with a conversation. Starting conversations can be scary, but you will get better with practice. If you have trouble coming up with ideas, try the following. Talk about something you have in common. Do you read the same books? Watch the same shows? Play the same games? Talk about something the other person likes. Be sure to share something that you like. Talk about something unique about the other person. Think special skills or a really cool style. Need a fun way to start the school year in the right direction? The link to access the Back to School conversation cards is listed in the description box below or the link in my bio.